Anyone who's ever eaten in a Thai restaurant knows this dish. It's pad Thai, and I'll show you how to make it in your own home kitchen. So the first thing I do is I start with a package of Thai rice noodles, also known as vermicelli, and you soak them in hot water for about 15 minutes until they soften. So I put some peanut oil in a small skillet, and I have 3 scrambled eggs in it, which I actually turned into an omelet. And now that that omelet is cooked, I'll remove it to my cutting board and cut it into strips. Okay, I switched to a wok. I've got the heat on high, some more peanut oil. I'm going to add some shrimp and some garlic. I'm going to let them cook until the shrimp lose their raw gray color. Now I remove the shrimp to a plate, and in the same pan, it's nice and hot. I'm going to add tofu, about 4 ounces, some sliced green onion, and some trimmed bean sprouts, and I'll stir fry them a little bit and then remove them to the same plate as the shrimp. I drained those rice noodles, and now I'll put those in the pot. Then we'll add in some Thai fish sauce, also known as nam pla, some tamarind paste, and if you don't have tamarind paste, you can use ketchup, and a little bit of sugar. Stir that around. And we'll add back in the shrimp, tofu, bean sprouts, and the eggs. Mix them all together, and then I will remove them to a serving platter. I'm going to garnish with cilantro and some chopped peanuts, as well as some Thai bird chilies, and remind you to get the recipe on the website or write to me here at the station. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy. See you next time.